Hello, I am Michael from Shenzhen, ZY Electronic and Technology Company Limited. Now let me lead you into the EV charging world of ZY Caraok. What comes into view is Caraok's factory workshop and production line. The refined and streamlined production and assembly process, coupled with extremely strict quality inspection, ensures that the pass rate of each of our charging stations is 100%. ZY Caraok has some star models, EV charging stations. VC is a floor-mounted slim type with dual EV guns, power from 30 kilo to 60 kilo, and it supports CCS1, CCS2, ChAdeMo, GBT, especially for CCS2, hot selling in European countries, Southeast Asia, Brazil and Russia. VC has 3 charging methods. The first is password charging, the second is card charging, and the third is OCPP Charging. The first type, password charging, is very simple. Enter the correct password to quickly charge your electric vehicle. You can see the charging details on the screen. The second card charging is also a simple method. Just wave the card to quickly charge your EV. The third method is OCPP Charging. Set up OCPP, URL, and port in advance. Start OCPP to quickly charge your EV. MC is the earliest portable DC EV charging station of ZY Caraok. It is movable, power from 7 kW to 60 kilo, and it supports CCS1, CCS2, ChAdeMo, GBT. Because of its small size, lightweight, obvious price competitiveness, and ease of use, it can be quickly charged as soon as it is powered on. So it is favored by the lightweight charging pile market. MC has 3 charging methods, very easy to use. The first is plug and charge. The second is password charging. And the third is book charging. XC is another famous star model of ZY Caraok portable EV charging station. It is movable, power from 7 kW to 40 kW, and it supports CCS2, CCS1, ChAdeMo, GBT. Also, it is compatible with 2 charging guns. This feature is perfect for families with 2 EVs of different standards, such as CCS2 plus GBT. As long as you have an XC portable DC fast charging station, you can charge all over the world. With this unique feature, XC has won a good reputation worldwide. In addition to these 3 models I introduced above, ZY Caraok also produce other types of charging piles, AC and DC, with power ranging from 7 kW to 720 kW. Please contact immediately to achieve the greatest win-win. ZY Caraok, new energy, EV charging. Pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.